How to make a go bag. An emergency is a serious, unexpected, and often dangerous situation. An emergency can be a hurricane, tornado, snowstorm, or fire. It is important for people to have an emergency preparedness plan and a go bag ready for trouble before it happens. A go bag is an emergency kit that will help people stay safe during a disaster. Everyone should have a go bag that they keep near the door, so if there's a disaster or evacuation, they can take them easily and quickly. Important items to pack in your go bag: personal information, communication boards, canned food and water, packaged snacks, sensory, calming items, medication, medical supplies, pet food, change of clothes, radio and batteries, flashlight. Create an emergency plan and have your go bag prepared for disasters. Emergencies may not be something you think about every day, but they can happen at any time.